Okay, Saturday, September 24th, 2016. What I want to look at right now, a couple of indexes. We were watching the NASDAQ and how it performed on a recent breakout, but I also want to point out the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index. What we have here is basically the New York Stock Exchange Index as a whole peaked last year, May of last year, okay, 2015. So we have a peak there. We have retreat with the Chinese and the beginning of the year. And we have Brexit, okay. So with that, what we have now is we're now making a lower high. Taking out this low would probably make this move come back through the other way. Okay, the pink dotted lines here are a Summation Index. This is the number of shares accumulation of advancing shares versus declining shares. Okay, and as you can see here, we had a double top and we had a consolidation, 2014. Then it went on. The market went higher, not by much, on fewer shares. Okay, and now we have double peak again in Summation Index, as previously seen. Here it was higher, but the index could not eclipse the previous high. Okay. So now what I'm looking for is that when this is broken, that there'll be continuation of a correction in the New York Stock Exchange Index, which includes mostly smokestack stocks and your conglomerates. Now down below, I have the NASDAQ. Okay, and the NASDAQ also had two previous peaks. Continued to go higher on fewer issues. That was corrected in consolidation period. Moved higher again. The index traded higher, but on fewer issues, declining issues, until that move was corrected. Here's a failure to make a new high until that was corrected. You can see the washout here in the index, and the Summation Index. Okay, now we have, once again, we have two peaks. Prices did manage to poke through, but we're going to need follow through. So 5,100 on the NASDAQ Composite, not the 100, NASDAQ Composite, should trigger failure here. We'll know more by Tuesday to see if the NASDAQ can continue on higher and possibly pull the other indexes with them, or if the NASDAQ will join the other indexes lower. Even the Russell, that has been strong as of late, peaked out in 2015 also. There you have it. Have a wonderful weekend.